And the goal of the puzzle is obviously to fit all the parts inside of the frame. But if you try to stick the parts inside, you will notice that you can probably fit some of the parts, but not all of them. Two more, and then as you can see, they don't fit, and there is a lot of gaps, and they're too small to fit any of the parts. This is a box packing 356 puzzle, and it has its name because there are 3 of these parts, 5 of these parts, and 6 of these parts, and you have to fit them all inside of the box. This puzzle was designed by Miyuki Uematsu and made by Vinko from Czech Republic. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the box packing 356 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Okay, and now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. You will start with the large piece and you just drop it down here. Then you grab the smaller piece and put it to the left. Then you grab this square piece and put it in the corner. And then you grab another small piece and put it right in here. Then you grab the long piece again and put it inside to this corner. And then you grab another square piece and drop it down here. Actually, there is not supposed to be a gap. This piece goes flat on the bottom like that. Next, we grab another one of these cubes and put it right in here. And then smaller part goes right here. Then another cube goes here, and another smaller piece goes next to it. Now we have to fit another small piece right in here. Then we put this cube right in here. We have enough space to fit this small piece here and just enough space to fit the last part here, and the puzzle is solved. There is a tiny gap left, but if you remove this shape, you will find that there is this tiny gap on all sides. That was the solution of the box packing 356. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other awesome puzzles from Vinko, go to puzzlemaster.ca.